Welcome. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful 2,734 square foot model home. It's 3 bedrooms with a study, 3.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. This model home is stunning. It's heavily upgraded and it has $1 million views. Let's go inside and I'm going to show you around. Walking through, I wish the camera could capture the first thing I see, which is the mountains. Let's go back there and see if I can get it to focus in on that for you. This community is situated so each of the streets sits on a ridge. There's lots of space between, and the views are outstanding. Just gorgeous. All right, let's go back and actually see the house. But I just wanted to show you kind of what it's like when you walk in, what your eye is drawn to, and we'll get some better glimpses of those views as we get a little further into the video. Okay, so walking in, we have a nice entryway. It's not huge, but it's reasonable size. It's probably 6+ foot across and 12 foot wide. And off to the right, the first room is this really nice sized study. And I love the big window that looks outside. Now this is pretty unusual, the way they've modeled this with this big bed almost. It's almost like 2 twin beds are full, but lots of sitting space. So this office is modeled more as an art space. That's why you've got all this big comfy seating, oversized. We of course have our high ceilings, recessed lights. Coming in, the second thing on the entry is the powder room. And then we have the great room. So with these open concepts, we have the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen. Now this is a true open concept. We don't have an additional dining room in this home. So this is your living space. So it's open, it's bright, and it really allows everything to flow together so nicely. In the kitchen, gorgeous. We have a nice Sub-Zero refrigerator, cabinets, of course, all configured, real wood, soft close. This is a luxury home builder. We have an 8-burner Wolf range double oven. You have your pot filler. And we do have 2 sinks. So no, it's not just a tiny sink. This is your vegetable sink. You have all of this cabinetry here. There is an under counter microwave. And then here is your sink and dishwasher with, again, those views out there. Look at this. Oh, so pretty. Oh, there you can see it a little better there. So you have some good stations here. You have kind of your cleanup station for washing the dishes. You have, probably I would use this for serving. And then this is your cooking and prep section over here. And of course, we have one thing that's unusual, this little kind of office space. Great for kind of just a little home office for things around the house, not necessarily a work office. And then a pantry. Nice high ceilings, lots of shelving there. And then on another thing that we have in this kitchen. So this house, the way it's set up, is more for wine lovers. So instead of some of these other $1 million homes, we have morning kitchens. In this one, we have this gorgeous wine room. There's some wine storage, cabinets, you have a bar, you have a little wine fridge as well. And this is closed, so you can have it controlled differently if you wanted to add some additional climate control or other things in there. Now there's a hallway down here with 2 bedrooms, 2 guest bedrooms, each with walk-in closets and ensuite bathrooms. This first one, super cute. We're under the stars. And look at this bathroom. Adorable. So you have a single sink and a gorgeous tiled shower tub combo. And then on the other side of the room is the walk-in closet. So great sized bedroom here. You can put one queen bed in here very comfortably. Or those are fulls, I feel like. Models, you can never tell. Good storage here. Your hall closet, because again, we didn't have one right in the hallway, right? And then this could be your linen, lots of extra storage there. Let's come into the next bedroom. This window looks to the front of the house. Bathroom with a shower. Bedroom with stunning views. I think that might be Granite Mountain in the background. And a walk-in closet. So this one being at the end of the hallway is a little more private, but both a little more private from the house, but you can view the front door. So a little more aware of what's coming and going in the house. But what's nice is they both have their own closets and their own ensuite bathrooms, and it is a true split bedroom floor plan. I mean, the master bedroom, or primary bedroom, sorry, couldn't be further away. It's actually all the way on that opposite corner of the house. So let's go over there. We'll make a quick pit stop before to check out the laundry room. So the door to the left goes to your 3-car garage. You have a little drop zone here, set up for dog lovers. And then your laundry room. You have your washer dryer on one side, and then your laundry sink and some counter space on the other. So that is dun, 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 the laundry room. We've named it just in case. Another shot back out at the great room. This fireplace, how pretty. See those little flames flickering. And then here, diagonal opposite the 2 guest bedrooms is the primary suite. So there's a door to the right here that goes directly outside. And then, as I walk in, I just want to take this in. This is so zen, but contemporary at the same time. This powder blue is just super calming and beautiful. It just kind of blends with the sky. And there is so much sky to see here. Again, we've got this set up with a beautiful viewing deck. You can imagine watching the storms roll in, watching the snow hit the mountains. It's so pretty here. Come over. So we have probably a California king and still 4 feet or so on either side of the bed. Love the windows on either side. Some nice symmetry there. We have a beautiful white soaking tub with a window here. Now this goes out to your side yard. You can plant some shrubs over there and not have a view fence. We have plenty of privacy. You have double sinks. And this primary has 2 closets. So here's closet number 1. And here is the water closet. And then, sorry, spinning around in circles today. This is closet number 2. I feel like closet number 2 is a little bit bigger. So this closet's mine, he gets the other one. Because I have more clothes. And then our shower. It's a beautiful rain head up there. Hand-on standard shower, nice bench. That's a good size shower. It's not like some of these models we're seeing, they're putting in these enormous oversized showers, which are kind of, they're very luxurious, but this is still big, but it's not, you'll use it, you'll use the space. It's a nice little sitting cove. So with the entrance on this side, the patio door here creates this nice little nook that I can see as a place to relax and read before bed or something like that. Let's go back out through the living room, past the dining room, and check out the backyard. Wow. Wow, you have so much space on this patio. I mean, look at that ceiling. I love the tongue and groove with the medium wood tone. So from the primary suite coming right out, you have a lounge area. Then we have a dining area in the middle, another lounge area, and then they put in a built-in barbecue over here. Really interesting deck. Instead of pavers, they're like a little larger kind of concrete squares. And I know one of my viewers commented about the airport in this area, and there's a little plane right there. But because it's a smaller airport, where is he? There he is, flying around. I mean, I don't know if you can even hear that. It's just a little hum in the background. I can actually hear the music from inside the house louder. So you can see the next house, and these are all one story, right? It's going to be down there. So you're still going to be able to see over it. You catch a little roof, but you'll still have a great view. I mean, this goes down here quite a bit. So I can't imagine anything coming in that space. And just these endless views. I mean, you can just see through mountain ranges, multiple mountain ranges. Nice deck here. Viewing deck to take in those views. And you're gonna get sunrises in this house. I have a little putt-putt. I mean, this is a huge side yard. These houses are by no means sandwiched close to each other, which is great. And then I think this space over here is set up as a fire pit. I love this idea. That built-in bench, and being that they have natural gas here, there's probably going to be a valve somewhere to turn that on as a fire pit. If not, something you could definitely put in. Might just be landscape too, but I see it as it needs to be a fire pit. There you go. All right, let's go inside and let me give you a little bit more information about this property. Thank you. Thank you. Another home tour, another day, and another beautiful model. This home has views. It's gorgeous. I love the way the split bedroom floor plan is really totally on the opposite sides of the house, and that each of the bedrooms has its own private en-suite bathroom as well as a walk-in closet. So those are some great features. The open concept, the big office, the little small office on the side by the kitchen, all great features that I think are very helpful for today's lifestyle. Now, this particular model starts at $1,029,000, and depending on the lot premium and the upgrades you have, you could get up to like 1.5 million. That's where we're sitting with this model as it sits, looking just like this on this property with these views and all of these finishes. They do have a couple partially completed homes in this community. I'm going to try to get some information on those for you. If you're interested in that, drop me a note below, reach out privately, send me your contact information, and I will send you all of the details. But the completed specs, again, as of recording, we are here in early April and things are changing all the time. But in this community, the homes are going from about $1,080,000 is about the cheapest, the least expensive. And they have models up into, let's see, 1.4, 1.1, all the way up to 1.5 in this community. So you're in that 1 to 1.5 community on this street. This is the first phase in this subdivision. There will be 2 more phases opening up, or 2 more streets. I think each street is going to be a phase, and each of the streets, as I mentioned, is on kind of a ridge, right? So you have these beautiful open spaces between that give you lots of privacy between your neighbors. And this community, and speaking with the builder, is great for those people that want that open space, that rolling hills, those big views, but don't want to be as far out as Williamson Valley, because we are much closer to town right here. Let's see, I have a whole long list of features. It's like 2 pages, but a couple of the things that are included that are some of my favorite is the wood siding with the board and batten trim on the exterior. Courtyard entrances are gorgeous. The 8-foot front door and the paver driveway and patios. That is a included feature. You're not going to pay for an upgrade on that. And gates, wall fences in the backyard, low, high efficiency windows, vinyl window frames. That's all included for an exterior. In the kitchen, they're including white shaker cabinetry, 42-inch uppers, soft close hardware, and quartz countertops. So you're already starting off with something amazing. They do include a GE stainless steel appliance package with a combination microwave wall oven, 36-inch gas cooktop, canopy range hood, and dishwasher. So you've got all your appliances there, as well as an undermount dual bowl kitchen sink and garbage disposal. Garbage disposal, of course, $1 million. Why wouldn't you get a garbage disposal, right? In the bathroom, you're getting quartz countertops, undermount sinks, brushed nickel faucets, and the freestanding tub is included. So the master suite or primary suite has a tile shower with 3/8-inch glass and a freestanding tub with the filler. That's really nice. Those freestanding tubs sometimes are upgrades. Let's see what else. 10 or 12 foot ceilings, solid core interior doors. Yes, love that. Just so much better for quiet. Smooth top drywall, two-tone paint, gas fireplaces, mohawk carpeting in all bedrooms and closets, porcelain tile, brushed nickel features, ceiling fans in the primary bedroom, recessed can lights. I mean, I could just go on and on, but I don't want to bore you with all these details. Oh, you even get a Nest smart home with a video doorbell. There's a ton of stuff in here. There's a whole list here of energy efficient features too. But the real thing is to reach out. I can send you all the information, the included features list, what's available today, what spec homes I have available, and we can even get out and take a look so you can see what those finishes are. So I hope you enjoyed this home tour. If you are considering a move to Prescott, Arizona, please do reach out. If you're here, you're looking for a new home, I'm here to help you, and we'll set up a tour and get you into the models that make sense for you and get you the best deal available. So thank you so much for watching. ODESSA KEILMAN with the Prescott Homeowner. And please remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Drop me a comment below. I really would love to hear what you think about this model as compared to some of the other ones that we've filmed, or just compared to your needs.